You can finally achieve the deepest of blacks with ease using Cretacolor's Deep Black Drawing Set. The set includes our famous Nero collection, which combines specially formulated oils with the highest quality charcoal to produce a water-resistant, semi-gloss stroke that glides with control. Starting from extra soft to extra hard, there are 5 grades of Nero pencils, perfect for outline work and smaller areas. And for larger surfaces, the set includes 2 different sized Nero sticks. Can't do it without water solubility? We've also included an ivory black aqua monolith to create great watercolor effects. Cretacolor's Deep Black Drawing Set.